out on the bus on the ride down there.
Nice.
A couple kids smuggled some like weed and some
Are you high right now?
booze and shit.
Are you high?
What's up?
Are you high?
Yeah.
You're high right now?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Are you?
Nope.
I like that tank top, man. That's fine. I wear tank tops like that a lot.
Yeah. Alright, see you, man. See ya. Wait. One question. What's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Penis.
What's up, guys? It's Caleb DeVoe here today. With me is Riley Wilmuth. He's a good friend of mine. You guys should check his YouTube out. It'll be right here, 336 Rebels. But today we got some pretty fun stuff in mind. He brought over some of his guns. All right, we're playing some paintball. Got Riley right here. Ooh.
Hey, I'm the guy that pays $10 for call. I don't even live here. I leave the town. I gotta have my money. I gotta have my $10 back, or you want me to call the police? I don't know what else to do. I'm not leaving $10.
Riley,
Hold on.
A refund for the car wash night. I said, this is your place of business, and I ought to be able to get a refund for my car wash.
This one.
You know.
He's still fairly
You're making it up. What's your name?
Tom, what's your name?
Riley.
my name's Caleb. Your favorite thing?
Well, I like to play soccer a little.
Me too.
You like to play soccer?
Me too.
Found it. It's my favorite thing. I just got done.
Hello. 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 Hey, what's your name?
Luke.
Luke? What's your favorite thing?
I don't know.
What sports do you like?
Basketball.
You like basketball?
Yeah.
Do you like soccer?
Not really.
You don't?
I played against you.
You did? Oh.
Riley, shut up.
What's your favorite thing to do?
I don't know.
First thing that comes to mind. First word.
What was the question again?
First thing that comes to mind. Like the first word.
Can you repeat a question? I forgot.
Alright, what's your favorite thing to do? Like sport, anything?
Drawing.
Drawing? That's
What's the
good.
first word that comes to your mind?
Just anime. I like to do anime, and that's it.
Oh, really?
Riley, you idiot! Oh my god! Oh my god, you're idiot! Thank you, sir. You too. So, I just started to say, how many kill this? I just ding-dong ditched a house up there. I went through the tunnel. I'm gonna go see, like look around down here, see if I can find Caleb. It's getting a ton of mud. So, alright, hold on. Let me get by right here. Right, I'm good. I'm just gonna run around through here after I hit the doorbell. Hopefully they won't see me. Never mind. Ditch that. Hey Keith,
What's going on?
what's up, dude?
All
What's your first thing that comes to your mind? First word that comes to mind.
Carolina winning this game tonight.
Yeah.